My name is Gourab Mukherjee. I am from Malda, West Bengal. I have completed my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Netaji Subhash Engineering College. After completing my graduation, I have been searching for web development course in Kolkata. Then I came to know that there is an institute whose name is Webskitters Academy. They have been providing some best IT industry courses. After surveying that, I came to know that there is a course that is Reactjs course, most trending IT industry currently in IT field. That's why I came to visit and then join this course. Part of this Reactjs course under Show Me Ma'am for almost 2.5 months. I have learned so much in this course, how two websites are interacting with each other, how to build e-commerce web. Also, they provide some doubt clearing sessions, weekly tests to brush up your memory skills, and also provide a mock interview to better performance in the actual interview. During this course, I came across that there is a group in Facebook. The name is IT Study Buddy, where you can learn you can showcase your skills. And there are a lot of projects that have been done by the students. You can suggest them how you feel to do the project or a more efficient or better way, or you can post your project. You can learn something you can implement from their project to in your project. So this group is provide also some information regarding your course or exploring some information about the IT field. So you can also share your thoughts, share your knowledge, and get the knowledge from this group. As I have been a part of this Webskitters Academy for so long, so I can definitely assure you guys that if you want to do job in IT field, then definitely this academy provides you the best market knowledge. Also, you have been tagged to some live projects that really help you out to do your job or you implement your knowledge in a more efficient manner. And also there are some features that they have been providing, like doubt clearing sessions, mock interviews, then the live projects. This really helps you out to implement your knowledge and also achieve your dream career very soon. Thank you, Webskitters Academy.